Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorraine, Medina, Portage, Sandusky, Seneca, and Summit. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for Erie County, Northern Huron County, Lorraine County, Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Lake County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, northwestern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, northeastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, until noon Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cleveland, Lorraine, Elyria, Sandusky, Norwalk, Fremont, Willowick, Vermilion, Western Vermilion, Parma, Lakewood, Euclid, Mentor, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, and Solon. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 2.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until noon Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga.